Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Gaurav channel. So for Airport Authority of India ATC online form is active now. In this video I will show you how you can properly fill the form so that you will not get rejected in document verification. You as already know that post is ATC, that is Air Traffic Controller. Salary will be 12 lakh rupees approximately and form last date is 14 July 2022. Before going to form filling, let's quickly check what are the documents we required for form filling. So SSC mark sheet is required, 12 diploma mark sheet, bachelor master mark sheet is required to fill the marks and percentage. Okay. Photo should be not less than older than 3 months. So just remember this, and signature should be in black ink on white paper. When you will click on the link which I am giving in the comment section, this page will get open. If you want, you can read all the instruction, or otherwise directly scroll down, click on this tick mark and just click on sign up and start. Okay, just wait for few time to load the page. Now this is the very important screen because this is your registration. So just put all the details carefully, okay, because you can't edit them later. So select your post, only one vacancy is there, that is for ATC this time, okay. Then put your candidate name here as per SSC mark sheet only, compulsory, okay. Then your mobile number, again confirm it, email ID, again confirm it and enter the captcha and just click on submit button. On your mobile number or email ID, okay, you will get credentials soon. So it is taking maximum 1 minute to get the credential on mobile number, okay. So now here you can see the button go to application form, just click on this. Here we can see one screen, okay, that is your eligibility details. So now there are 5 city centers for your exam center, okay. So you can see all the centers here. So this is the list of your exam centers. So all over India you will get center, no need to worry for that, okay. Just okay, so 5 centers carefully. Then category, so select your category, okay. Then your gender, what is your gender, so select that. And now here you need to enter your date of birth, which is most important. So properly get your date of birth here. Next select are you PWD candidate. So if yes, then select on yes button. Okay, here you can see you need to enter your type of disability. If not, then simply click no button. Are you a serviceman? If you select yes, then definitely you need to enter your joining service. Okay, otherwise no. Are you a IE internal candidate? So if yes, then definitely you need to enter joining service and employee number. Okay, otherwise no. Have you completed 1 year of apprentice? So as already in notification video I told you that those who completed apprenticeship, no need to pay any fees for you guys, okay. So if yes, then just select enter your apprenticeship number there, okay. Otherwise just click on no button. Are you a government employee? So just select whether yes or no. If you select yes, then no need to change anything, otherwise no. Click on save and next button. Next screen you need to enter your personal details, okay. As already on the registration screen you enter your full name, so it is not editable. Just enter your father's name here, mother's name here as per SSC mark sheet. Then marital status, select marital status, select nationality. Okay, enter your present address and permanent address. If your permanent address is same as present address, just click on yes button. So all the information of this information will get automatically here. Okay, no need to enter this again and again. On next screen you need to enter now your qualification details like 10th, 12th, okay, and your qualification, that is BE Tech. So just enter your board name here. Okay, then subject combination you can put here mathematics and science. Then institute name you can put here, year of passing, okay, you can just select from this drop down, and then please select any of the following. So what is the percent of CGPA? So if we have CGPA, then enter CGPA, otherwise percentage, okay. Next thing is, do you have proficiency in both spoken and written English of the level 10+2? So basic English is required, definitely they will check in voice test. You know, after exam your voice test will be there, okay. So at least you should spoke and write little bit English, not obviously very fluent like foreigners, but at least basic English you should know how to speak and write, okay. Then select yes button, and if you don't know also, then definitely in this 3-4 months you can train yourself to just you can practice daily, okay, to just speak something or to write the English words. Obviously English will be there in your ATC syllabus, so you will study English. So just click on yes if you don't know also. And have you passed English as one of the 10th or 12th? So obviously in 10th we have English, so yes, okay. Then we need to select now our qualifying degree. So if you are appear or pass out, then definitely you have to select like this. Now what I told you in a notification video, those who will get their degree before 14 July, okay, means final year candidates are eligible, but you should get your degree, or at least you should get your result before 14 July, okay. So this is the important thing. So just select here past mode of, okay, whatever your mode of course. As you know, here only one option is there, regular, okay. So degree name you have to select bachelor degree engineering for engineers and BSc for BSc guys. So if you are selecting engineering, then you need to enter your specialization, okay, what is your branch, just enter that, electrical, electronics, computer science, like that. Now most important, here they've written I have studied physics and mathematics as a subject in any of the semester curriculum, okay. So those who join after diploma, definitely they are not eligible for this recruitment because you didn't study physics and mathematics after in your third year or fourth year and second year. Okay, because physics and mathematics are in first year of engineering, so you are not eligible. That's why here only 12th is written, right? So just click obviously, then go to, if you have any experience just add that. If you have any working experience, obviously it will not get advantage, but still you can write if you want. The next thing is we need to pay total fee of 81 as I selected SC. Okay, those who are from general OBC WS, 1000 rupees is the fee, so just remember this. Okay, before that just upload your recent photo and recent signature, then enter captcha and click on I agree and submit button. Okay, you can preview also, just take preview and you can print out your application form and just after that you can click on submit button. Okay, after submit you will get this screen. So whatever from whatever category or whatever payment mode you want to pay, just pay that. You can use UPI also. Okay, then credit card, debit card also, net banking also there, but additional 11.8% charge and 17.7 rupees charge you need to give. Okay, so just select anyone. If I select UPI, then you can see this screen. Okay, and you need to complete a transaction in 4 minutes only. So via QR or via VPA you can just put. Okay, so I selected QR. Okay, so like this you can fill the form completely. Now if you have any query, any doubt, definitely just comment down below. If you have any single query, just feel free to comment down below because this is a very important step. And now next we will discuss the strategy videos and all the things. Okay, also in the comment section I am giving you the playlist, so just watch that playlist because all the important videos are you will get there. Okay, success pack is coming soon and our free master plan is also coming soon, so just wait for that and just fill your form now. All the best.